It's that summertime feeling, you know. And we got the anthem.
Hi, little fishies. My name is Laumea. Let's go check out Cambodia.
Yo, get a drink from the back room. Another kid coming soon.
This is my second trip here, and today we're going to take this Molly Kids tour of the Kingdom of Wonder, Cambodia.
We're on our way to Angkor. Today our guide is Tan.
Give that
He's keeping it fresh.
Angkor is a temple built in the 12th century. It draws millions of tourists every year.
Bit of a line, as you can see.
Made it to the top of Angkor Wat. It's the world's largest religious monument. Pretty cool to come to a place like this that's so special for everyone here.
So we're just here at the local Angkor market. I'm pretty keen to munch on something local. Let's go check out what they got. Reminds me of the market stacking up here. Tungan means tasty in Khmer.
Keeping to my island roots, I love to eat anything that I can.
If it didn't eat a tarantula, did you ever really go to Cambodia? Mate.
Give me your hand and hold me.
What really struck me about this place is the people. They're just so kind and generous and giving, and they've been through so much. Obviously, they've had a lot of war here as well.
Yeah!
Buffalo's karaoke music for our car ride home. The thing about Cambodia is a lot of similarities to the islands too, you know. Big families, laid-back lifestyle, lots of laughter.
When I met Boone 9 years ago, his dream was to build a homestay. Now he's done it, and all the profits go to sending 12 local kids to school. That's awesome.
Hip and fresh.
There you go. Just gonna leave a message here from us to Boone and his family. Let's get artistic. Ori Tonga Vata e Tasi. One family. That's what we are.
That's my Postcard from Cambodia. Keep it fresh, y'all.